Dr. Megan Ranney, you were talking about, like, if the order is lifted too soon, then we are going to have this situation where hospitals can't deal with appendicitis, can't deal with minor heart attacks, can't deal with stents, because all of a sudden they're overrun with coronavirus, and people are going to end up dying of other things.
Yeah, figure it this way. Up until about 4 months ago, there is virtually no human being on the planet that had ever been exposed to this virus. Even now, the vast majority of us have never been exposed. So as opposed to the flu, where most of us have seen it before, we have almost no natural immunity, no built-up immunity to COVID-19. That means that every one of us, when we're exposed to the virus for the first time, are at high risk of getting sick. We have no vaccine. We have virtually no proven treatments outside of just standard critical care measures. And what we're seeing in New York, I mean, my goodness, even if we mobilized the entire national stockpile of ventilators, gloves, gowns, and masks, right, we would pretty much deplete that in order to supply what New York City alone is projecting that it needs over the next couple of weeks. If this spreads across the country the way that we're predicting that it will, if we don't put these social distancing measures into effect and really follow them, then our emergency departments and hospitals across the country are going to be overwhelmed. Medical professionals are going to be getting sick because we're not using proper protective equipment, and we are simply not going to have the folks there to take care of those everyday medical emergencies. On behalf of physicians and nurses and paramedics across the country, we are all determined to do our best for our communities, but it's going to be really tough if we have the number of critically ill patients that New York has seen.
Hello, YouTubers. If you're watching this, it means you've checked out our channel, so thank you. Now do me a favor, subscribe by clicking on that button down there. Click on any of the videos to watch the latest interviews and highlights from MTP Daily and MSNBC. You can get more Meet the Press content every morning in the First Read newsletter. If you're tired of content that you don't know anything about where it came from, you don't have to have that problem with us. NBC News, MSNBC, MTP, and the Meet the Press mindset right here for you on YouTube. Subscribe now.